So we're known for our southern layer cakes, all baked from scratch with lots of local fresh ingredients, the way they used to be made back in the day. So we've brought that art back. My name is Robin Davis, and I'm the founder and owner of Maxie B's Bakery here in Greensboro, North Carolina. The name comes from our two pugs, Max and Bitterman, that we had at the time, and I'm a big dog lover. We have 3 pugs today. They're a big feature of what we do. Pupcakes here are the hit, and we go to the animal shelter and feed pupcakes to the dogs there once a week. The creative process for decorated cakes is actually quite different now from what it was before COVID. We stopped doing decorated cakes altogether for about 5 or 6 months, and then we have relaunched the decorated cake end of our business called Celebration Cakes because people really do love to celebrate. But we have chosen to do a set of designs, and that comes out of our decorating team. We have a team of decorators that are just very gifted. They've been here a long time, and they completely understand who we are and what customers expect. I am not artistically inclined when it comes to that, so I'm not even on the approved list of people that can write happy birthday on a cake. But having been a business major, I have the ability to assemble a team that can do that. And they're amazing. They're just fantastic.
Hey, I'm Olivia, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a blossom cake here at Maxie B's. So to apply the texture technique to this cake, I'm going to use a smaller offset spatula. I'm going to drag it around the cake and adjust the height that I have it so it kind of comes across as a wave. And now it's ready for decorating. So next I will be adding a simple buttercream flour to the top of the cake. So to do so, you would start in the center of your flour and apply an even amount of pressure to the piping bag as you make that C shape.
Hi, I'm Lisa, and I'm going to show everybody how to decorate a cake we call the metallic cityscape cake. So we have a edible metallic gold. You can add pretty much any kind of clear alcohol. We use vodka, and I'm just going to add this and mix it up. And we use the vodka because it gives it enough wetness to paint, but then the wetness evaporates. So then you're just left with your painted surface. So I've got a large paintbrush here. The first thing I'm going to do is kind of give myself a border at the base, and then I'm just going to pull my brush up. Having the base on the bottom gives me some wiggle room, and that's what I'm going to do around the whole cake. Our metallic cityscape.
Hi, my name is Ryan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to decorate the Celebrate Joy celebration cake. gonna get started by piping dots along the side in each color, and then in between switching colors, I'm gonna take the spatula and kind of swipe it up. And I have a bowl here on the side. In between, doesn't have to be each swipe, you just kind of scrape it off so that it doesn't leave a weird mark. That's it. That's the Celebrate Joy cake.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth. I work at Maxie B's, and today I'm going to show you a decorated cake that we call an English garden. I've already piped my flowers and chilled them. It just makes it easier to assemble your cake that way. When I do a group of flowers like this, I tend to put just a plain border of icing that you're not gonna see, so whatever color you use is fine. And I'll do higher spots in places, and it just gives you a more realistic look than having everything at the same level. So I'm gonna start with 2-layer flour and using a rose nail to push that off.
Oh, I just realized I have 2 spatulas on the table.
Oh no.
Gosh.